what's going on, everybody? Y'all know who it is. It's JJ. You know, we back at it like an addict, no rehab, picking on people to get you guys advice. They're working on the street over there, so it's a little loud right now. So, but we're gonna take a look at this Chevy Adventure that I picked up. You know, take a look at it, take it to test drive, show y'all what we got. Tire a little flat, tire a little. This is what we got. 2004 Chevy Adventure. It's a little dirty right now. Got a little rust. Got some little rust down there. We got some tires on it. Fixing to, probably not even gonna mess with that, you know, honestly. And you know, paying to get that fixed probably cost me about $300-400. It's really dirty, but you know, we're gonna take this to the detail shop and they're gonna get it all the way clean. All the way clean, but you know, we gotta first just test drive and make sure it's shifting all the way through the gears. You know, hey, I already started this. That's the wrong key. You gotta start. Make sure you use the right key. Make sure you blow code. Temperature sensor doesn't work, but it needs an oil change. We're gonna change the oil because it's saying change the oil. We're gonna get our scan tool, seeing what the check is, seeing what the service engine light is. More than likely it's that temperature sensor. More than likely that's what the gauge. That's probably what's throwing off. You know, since it do have a little like rust spots on it. It's probably like the wire probably got a little rust on it, so it's probably not getting a good ground to the temperature sensor or nothing, something like that. But I'm gonna just drive it down the street, just making sure it ships through all its gears. You know, hit the tire shop and nobody coming this morning. But yeah, I'm gonna hit the tire shop, get some air in the tire, hopefully, or I'll just come back and air it up. I mean, it really ain't low. It's low mainly because like how my lot's set. Yeah, we already got some ice cold air. I think this gonna make somebody a good van. And I love getting deals on cars, you know. I spent what? I think $450 on this van. I have to go look back at it. I believe it was $450. $450, I believe. So I'll turn it around and put some work in, put the work into, let the seat back, and then I'll sell it for, you know, $1,800-1,900. Thing for the seat broken. I just wasn't reaching it. Yeah, I sell it for we'll sell it for about $1,500. We'll sell it for $1,600. Somebody get them a Chevy Adventure van for $1,600. Third row seat, ice cold air. Enough room for the kids. You and the kids are gonna have a fresh detail, gonna be fresh and oil. Temperature sensor gonna be fixed, but first we gotta make sure we got some shifting through the gears. First you gotta make sure, see if we got any suspension issues. Okay, shift. Shift again. 6. Okay, so we hit 60 smooth. Brakes are good. Look like somebody's gonna get them a winner with some chicken dinner. It's gonna change the oil. Take it to the spot, change the oil, top up all the fluids. You're gonna get this temperature sensor fixed. So that's the main thing. You know, you gotta make sure your car is not overheating or anything. Okay, you got the power doors. Reverse it up. You gotta make sure the radio work, you know.
And we're safe from
Make sure the radio works, because if you know, people ain't gonna buy nothing if the radio ain't working. And then I also need the radio to work, because I'm gonna just go to Walmart and get one of those little Bluetooth things that you plug into the I gotta make sure the cigarette lighter does work. That you plug into the cigarette lighter, those Bluetooth things that you plug into the cigarette lighter, they're like 17 bucks. I might do it off of Amazon. I think they're a little cheap, but you know, I got a Walmart card, so I can just go to Walmart and get them. But you know, I love sticking those little Bluetooth transmitters into cars. This thing shoots really good. Get that, like I said, get this temperature sensor fixed. That's probably because that's more than likely why the check engine light is on, because I don't feel like missing or anything like that. But it could be like an O2 sensor too, because a lot of times check engine light be like, it be like an evap code, O2 sensor, you know, or something like that. But man, ride on, feel any, hear any road noise, anything like that. Ain't no suspension problem, so it's gonna get a fresh detail on there, fresh oil, you know, topped off all the fluids. Then it's gonna make somebody a good family man. It's gonna make somebody make a family good. Yeah, put some gas in there. We ain't gonna put that much gas in there. We're like $20. $20 is my gas limit for a car, you know, and hopefully it sells before all those people run out to. This thing's pretty dirty. Nothing a good detail ain't gonna do. You know, I'm gonna tell them take this carpet out and clean it. You know, take the carpet out and clean it. You know, tell them make sure they get this hair liner. Yeah. Go run the AutoZone. Get this temperature sensor. But first I'm gonna hook my scan tool up, make sure it's a temperature sensor, but I'm pretty sure that's a temperature sensor. Reason why that gauge it doesn't work, or did it just like all the other gauges work, that's the only one that's down, so maybe like this temperature sensor just ain't getting a good ground, so we definitely got to get that fixed, you know. But if y'all know anything about these Chevy Adventures, if y'all think it's more than just a temperature sensor, or y'all think of anything else that it might could be, let me know in the comment section below. We're going. I think somebody will be a winner. Somebody's gonna win. Somebody's gonna enjoy it. Somebody's gonna enjoy it. It does have some little hell dings, but good tires, body's in good condition. Besides a little rust in there, you know. Lights and everything work. Time for me to go get this temperature sensor. Start with that. Start with the temperature sensor, replacing that. Clean off the wires. Make sure there ain't no rust or corrosion or nothing on the temperature sensor. But you know, it does have 190,000 miles, so it's probably the temperature sensor probably never been rechanged. So we're gonna change that. Go look under there and make sure there's not anything else under there unhooked. Take it to the spot, change the oil, top off the fluids, take it to the detail shop. Then by the time it gets done with the detail shop, probably Monday or Tuesday, then the title will be back. Boom. Because the detail shop doesn't open on, they don't open on Saturdays. So Friday, what's probably gonna happen is I'll probably drop it off today, which is Friday. I'll probably drop it off today, and then they probably start working on it Monday. Then it probably won't be ready until Tuesday. Then by the time it's ready, cool. But first, then after that, then Tuesday, get it, post it, sell it. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. If y'all haven't already, you know, like this video, subscribe to the channel. I'm out. Peace.